Wow.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm 21 years old. How about you? What's your name, please?
My name is Daisy Day.
Daisy Day.
Daisy Day.
Daisy Day. How do you spell your name?
D
E
E
E
S
S
I
I
R
R
E
E
E. Yeah.
Daisy.
Day. Daisy
Day.
Day. Yeah.
Daisy Day.
Yeah.
Yeah. So where do you come from?
I'm from Holland.
Holland. Your capital is Amsterdam. Yeah. And the country is very famous for football
Yeah.
and tulips.
Yeah. Also.
I really love team football.
What?
Your team football.
Yeah, but I didn't win this time.
Yeah.
Almost, but not.
Yeah. So what's your job?
My job?
Yeah.
I'm a student.
You're student.
Yeah, I'm finishing. Um, and I did my internship here in Vietnam. So I was working here for 3 months, and now I finished, and now I go back to the Netherlands, and I finish the last things of my study, and then I finished studying.
Yes.
I
What
have to work.
what is your major?
I study international public health.
International public health.
Yeah, international public health.
Yeah. So how long have you been in Vietnam?
4 months.
4 months.
Yeah,
Yes, 4 months. Wow.
long time, but I really love it.
Yeah. Yeah. So how long have you been in Hanoi?
3 months.
3 months. Yeah. So how do you feel about the weather here?
Well, it's really hot.
Yeah, I think so.
Really hot, but you get used to it. Like after a few weeks, it is nice. Like the sun is shining, so yeah, it's nice.
So what's the weather like in your country now?
Well, now it's also summer in my country, but here in my country the weather is not so stable. So sometimes it's raining one day and the other day the sun is shining, but it is never like here. It's 2 weeks with high temperatures. Sometimes it's 20, sometimes 30. So it's not very stable, but it's summer in my country as well.
Yeah.
But it was raining a lot last week. It was flooded everywhere.
So what places have you visited in Vietnam?
Um, Dien Bien.
Viet Liên. Yeah.
Huế,
Huế,
Hội An,
Hội An,
Nha Trang,
Nha Trang,
Đà Lạt,
Đà Lạt,
Munich,
Mũi Né.
Từ sao?
Cho nó quay mà.
Yeah.
Mời cô ạ.
Yeah.
Quay tại sao? Munich, Hồ Chí Minh, Cầm Tú,
Yeah. Where?
Cầm Tú,
In Cần Thơ.
Yeah, Cầm Tú.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Many places.
Yeah, then
So which place like best?
I like, of course, I like Hanoi very much because I was living here for 3 months and I really love the city. And I also like Hoi An very much.
Hoi An. It's very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what places are you going to visit?
Not now. I'm not going to visit anymore. I stay one more. This is the last day in Vietnam, and tomorrow I fly back to Holland. So this is the last day.
Yeah, I see. So is this the first time you come?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
About your hobbies. What are your hobbies?
I like to do dancing. Just doing nice things with friends. Reading. Babysitting. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
So do you like music?
Yeah.
How can you listen to music?
Quite often. Yeah, on my phone. Yeah, but I don't like. I like a lot of different kinds of music. Like, I don't have one particular artist I like most, but I listen to music often. Yeah.
So what kind you like? What kind of music you like?
A lot. Yeah.
Yes.
Pop, R&B, hip-hop, but not one particular type. No.
Yeah. So about this, how can you watch films?
Well, I haven't watched films. Normally I watch quite often, but now I haven't watched a movie for 3 months because I was here and no.
Around many here.
Yeah.
So you don't have a time.
No, I didn't watch any movie.
I have some major questions. Would you like to discuss them with me? Yes. Question one. In your opinion, how should a good neighbor be? Yeah.
Well, I think we should try to help each other if it's necessary, but also leave each other space. But yeah, just be nice to each other. Yeah, and yeah, helpful. Yeah, if you need help, it's good that you can around you.
That is the second question. How should a co-worker be? Co-worker.
Um, well, also, like, if you work in a team, um, I think you should not work as one single person, but also be helpful and be patient with each other's work and support each other. Yeah,
I think this also for our team.
yeah, absolutely. Yeah,
So the last question.
yeah.
Why are people visiting this place?
Oh, why? Well, because they are interested in maybe a particular subject, and because, of course, it's good to open your eyes for different kinds of. It can be art, it can be history,
Yes.
it can be anything, but because they want to learn something or they want to know something about something. Yeah.
I think so. I think this will help people to enrich their knowledge
Yeah.
and review their talks.
Yeah. Yeah. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you so much. And your English is very good, I have to say. Really?
Oh,
Yeah.
thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.